Just walking up. Let's have a look. We look to the left. There it is, Mary's Dome. There's going to be another big one just there next to it. I think it's time to officially add the sign for Mary's Dome. That'll do for now. Hello my little hobbitses, welcome back. We have a dome and this one is Mary's Dome, so I've colour coded a nice red M for you here just so that you can see which dome I'm in when there are 4 of them. They'll all be colour coded. Might make it a bit easier to work out where I am each day. Anyway, it's been a quiet week. I've been waiting for the glue to dry on this dome. As you can see, it is rock solid. So the next job will be to put spray foam all the way along the seams here, because it's just a few millimeters gap, but it's very important to get that as waterproof as possible. So I'm going to be climbing right up to the top, and the problem there is I don't actually have an easy way of putting a ladder next to the dome because the ground is still so rocky. So I thought today I am going to make a little set of steps that can rest on the base here, the concrete base, and allow me to climb up to about here, after which I can climb up onto the top myself. So that's today's job. It was an exciting night last night. We had an earthquake. Pretty big one, actually. Not as big as the huge one 9 years ago, which collapsed many hundreds of buildings in the area. But this one, only a few kilometers away, this was a magnitude 5.7. And that is enough to severely shake a house. But it's the biggest I haven't had experienced in my whole time in Japan. I've had a look at the dome and it seems completely unaffected, which is really reassuring because it's not even locked in by the second layer of concrete yet. So, yay to domes. Almost completely earthquake proof. Today's job is to foam the gaps in between the panels, which means I need to get right onto the top of the dome. Hopefully that'll be nice and smooth with my new ladder. The reason being, as it turns out, I actually cracked a rib last week putting this dome together. Carelessness on my part, silly me. So I got to be a little bit careful just not to, exacerbate the problem. Anyway, let's get to it. Here I am on top of the dome. Let me show you what I'm doing. All right, if you have a look at the gap in here, between the central ring and the panels, there's a big space in here. See it? That needs to be filled with foam to keep it waterproof. So here we go. Well, that was massively disappointing. I think the online seller slightly over-quoted how much foam is in those cans. I've used 2 cans just doing the top there. I mean, there was a lot of cavity, but wow, what a pity. So I got the top done, and that is at least waterproof now. All the cavities are filled in there, but I didn't have enough foam to get all the way down to the bottom here. So I'm going to go home now and order a big old box of those canisters and come back to it in a few days' time when that arrives. So for now, thank you very much for following along, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye for now.